In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number on your PC or laptop in 2025. This is a simple step-by-step method, and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC or laptop and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google signup page, so make sure you are using the correct website before entering any information. Once the page loads, you'll see the account creation form. Start by entering your first name and last name in the required fields. After that, click Next to continue to the next step. Now Google will ask for your basic personal details. Enter your birth date and select your gender from the available options. These details are required to help Google set up your account properly. After filling that in, click Next again. On the next screen, you'll be asked to create your Gmail address. Choose the email name you want to use. If your first choice is already taken, try adding numbers or slight variations until you find one that is available. Once you've selected your Gmail address, create a strong password and confirm it carefully. Make sure your password is something secure but still easy for you to remember. Then click Next. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your identity using a QR code. If that happens, look at your screen and scan the QR code with your phone. Open your camera app, scan the code, and tap the link that appears. Then follow the instructions on your phone to complete the verification process. You may need to switch back to your PC or laptop to continue the sign up. This step is important because Google sometimes uses it to confirm that the account is being created by a real person. Once you finish the verification on your phone, return to your computer and click Next. If everything goes through correctly, you'll then see Google's terms and conditions. Click I agree to accept the terms and finish the setup. And that's it. Your Gmail account will be created without a phone number if Google allows you to skip the verification step. Keep in mind that Google does not always show the same sign-up flow for everyone. So the option to create an account without a phone number can depend on your location, device, or account activity. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone else who wants to make a Gmail account on PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.